Hello and welcome back to Home Go Time, your go-to destination for inspiration and ideas in home decor and design. Transform your cooking space into a haven of vibrant patterns and eclectic beauty with our Boho Kitchen Style Ideas. The kitchen, often the heart of the home, deserves a blend of carefree style and functional charm. Bohemian Decor beautifully marries rich textures and bold colors, creating an inviting oasis for culinary creativity. Incorporate woven baskets for storage or decor, hang a tapestry as a backdrop, and introduce antique elements for a truly unique feel. The magic of boho style lies in its ability to infuse your everyday environment with a sense of freedom and artistic expression. Mix and match dinnerware, hang plants in macrame holders, and let a colorful rug anchor your space. The allure of bohemian interiors is everlasting, offering not only a style choice but a lifestyle that promotes relaxation and creativity. Join us as we explore various elements to give your kitchen an unforgettable boho twist. Whether you're a minimalist at heart or love embracing maximalism, these ideas will infuse your cooking space with warmth and charm.